In the rich tapestry of Islamic history and theology, the arrival of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, stands out as a monumental event. The statement Allah sent His beloved Prophet to us in this world. This is the greatest blessing of Allah. Encapsulates the profound reverence and gratitude that Muslims feel for this divine gift. To fully appreciate this blessing, it is essential to delve into the historical, spiritual, and societal dimensions of the Prophet's life and mission. Historical context. Allah sent His Prophet Muhammad PBUH in 570 CE in Mecca, a city in the Arabian Peninsula. His arrival marked the beginning of a new era, not just for the Arab world, but for humanity at large. Before his advent, the Arabian Peninsula was steeped in ignorance and tribal conflicts. The pre-Islamic era, known as the Jahiliyyah, was characterized by social injustice, polytheism, and moral decay. In this context of darkness and division, the arrival of Prophet Muhammad PBUH brought a message of monotheism, justice, and unity. Allah chose him to be the final messenger in a long line of prophets that included figures like Adam, Noah, Abraham, Moses, and Jesus, peace be upon them all. The revelation he received through the angel Gabriel was intended to guide humanity towards a path of righteousness and moral integrity. Spiritual significance. The Prophet Muhammad PBUH is considered the seal of the prophets in Islamic theology, meaning that he is the final prophet in a series of divine messengers. His role was not only to convey the message of Islam, but also to exemplify the teachings of the Quran through his actions. His life serves as a model for Muslims, demonstrating how to embody the principles of justice, compassion, and piety in everyday life. One of the central aspects of the Prophet's message was the concept of Tawhid, or the oneness of Allah. This principle underscores the belief that there is only one God, who is sovereign and all-powerful. The Prophet's teachings emphasize the importance of worshipping Allah alone and rejecting all forms of polytheism. The Quran, which was revealed to the Prophet Muhammad PBUH over 23 years, is considered the ultimate source of guidance for Muslims. It addresses various aspects of life, including spiritual, moral, social, and legal matters. The Quran's profound wisdom and timeless relevance have made it a cornerstone of Islamic faith and practice. The Prophet's character and mission. Prophet Muhammad PBUH is renowned not only for the message he brought, but also for his exemplary character. His honesty, humility, and compassion earned him the title of Al-Amin, the trustworthy, even before his prophethood. His life was a testament to the values he preached, and his interactions with others were marked by kindness, patience, and fairness. One of the most significant aspects of the Prophet's mission was his emphasis on social justice. He advocated for the rights of the poor and marginalized, championed the cause of women's rights, and worked towards the abolition of practices such as infanticide and exploitation. His efforts in establishing a just and equitable society are a testament to his commitment to the principles of justice and compassion. The Prophet's final sermon, delivered during his farewell pilgrimage, encapsulated the essence of his teachings. In it, he emphasized the equality of all human beings, regardless of race or status, and the importance of upholding the rights of others. His message was one of unity, respect, and moral integrity, setting a standard for his followers to emulate. The impact on humanity. The arrival of Prophet Muhammad PBUH had a profound impact on the world. His teachings not only transformed the Arabian Peninsula, but also spread across continents, shaping the course of history. The spread of Islam brought about significant cultural, intellectual, and social advancements. The Islamic Golden Age, which followed the Prophet's era, was marked by remarkable achievements in various fields, including science, medicine, philosophy, and art. Scholars and thinkers from the Islamic world made significant contributions to human knowledge, preserving and building upon the intellectual heritage of previous civilizations. Moreover, the principles of justice, equality, and compassion promoted by the Prophet Muhammad PBUH continue to resonate with people today. His teachings have inspired countless individuals and movements advocating for social justice, human rights, and ethical conduct. Personal and collective blessing. For Muslims, the Prophet Muhammad PBUH represents a personal and collective blessing. On a personal level, his teachings provide guidance for leading a righteous life, and his example offers inspiration for overcoming challenges with grace and resilience. The Prophet's life story serves as a source of comfort and motivation, reminding believers of the importance of faith, perseverance, and moral integrity. Collectively, the Prophet's legacy has fostered a sense of community and shared purpose among Muslims worldwide. The bonds of brotherhood and sisterhood within the Ummah, the global Muslim community, are strengthened by a shared reverence for the Prophet and his teachings. This sense of unity and belonging transcends geographical and cultural boundaries, reinforcing the idea of a global family bound by common values and beliefs. The statement, "Allah sent His beloved Prophet to us in this world. This is the greatest blessing of Allah," reflects the deep-seated gratitude and reverence that Muslims have for Prophet Muhammad PBUH. His arrival marked the end of a long line of prophets and brought a message of divine guidance that continues to shape the lives of millions. His teachings have left an indelible mark on human history, influencing not only the course of Islam, but also the broader cultural and intellectual landscape. The Prophet's life and mission embody the ultimate expression of divine mercy and wisdom, and his legacy remains a source of inspiration and guidance for people of faith around the world. The greatest blessing of Allah, as manifested in the gift of the Prophet Muhammad PBUH, is a testament to his infinite grace and love for humanity.